Hello, and welcome to Get Lost with Natalie Preddy. Today, we are packing our kids' carry-on for the plane. Now, snacks like dried fruit or crackers or even fruit and veg is a fantastic idea for snacks on the plane. Now, while you can take fruit and veg through security, you cannot bring it into another country. You got to finish it on the plane. So when it comes to entertainment on the plane, I like to give my kids some options. Something like Lego they can do with their hands, or make a bracelet. Maybe it's a new car, or even just a squeeze toy. And bingo. This bingo game, it's something my kids can do with their hands, we can all participate in, and it's a lot of fun. Do not underestimate the power of the tablet. This is not the moment where you want to limit screen time. You want to have those games and those movies ready to go. I always give my kids a new activity book for the plane, whether it's stickers or coloring, water-based paint, or even stamps. It's something new and exciting that will keep them entertained. Now let's talk just in case. I always have an extra t-shirt, an extra pair of underwear, and an extra pair of bottoms just in case something happens on the plane. If we're going somewhere warm, I will also pack a swimsuit. So worst case, kids can put on a swimsuit and jump in the pool. I pack all of those things in a Ziploc, so should someone have an accident, we can get those dirty, stinky clothes locked up and put away. Absolutely pack your kids a water bottle. But remember, you cannot take a full water bottle through security. You will need to empty it beforehand and then refill it on the other side. If your child has a special stuffy or a special blanket, do not forget to put those in their carry-on. They're gonna need them on the plane. Insider tip for helping kids equalize their ears is give them a piece of candy, a jujube or a lollipop. If they're young enough, a soother. This is something they can chew on or suck on as the plane is going up and when it's going down. Okay, we've got the kids' entertainment, including the tablet with headphones. No one else wants to hear your kids' show. And we have our just-in-case bag. We have our snack. And we have our water bottle, which we did not fill before we went through security. And most importantly, we've got our favorite stuffy. And now, our little one is ready for a successful, enjoyable flight. And so are you. Okay, so what about you? What do you put in your kids' carry-on? Let me know in the comments below. So like and subscribe and follow along on Breakfast Television and on social.